What's happening, everybody? Josh here from Spawn Fly Fish, and today we are going to be tying up a nasty jig with a new spawn product that we will be releasing called the Pollywog Tail. Not an unfamiliar product, but it is an unfamiliar size. So this has taken a lot of what's been out there on the market and revamped it to a size and durability that will fit a far larger range of your freshwater and some of your saltwater fishing needs. So we're really excited about it. It's going to be a good product, and we will get after it today and showcase a fly/jig using it. So in the vise, we have the new Ahrex SA 254, size number 4. Awesome hook that, as you guys know, we helped collaboratively design with Ahrex and their team. So we're going to slip on some lead-free wire here, 0.020, and secure that spawn super bead at the front of this jig hook. And we are going to get after it. So lay down some thread wraps and really secure that bead in place. And we will take the Pollywog tail here. We'll rotate the vise. Tie this on upside down. And as you can see, this is a size 4 hook. And it's just a little bit longer. So this is going to hit a huge range of target species. You'll be able to cast these now on 5 weights, 6 weights with ease. So we are very excited for you guys to start doing that. Alrighty, got that Pollywog tail secure, and we're going to rotate that vise back around. Next, we are going to take some Spawn Semi-Seal in black UV pink. And we are going to clump and dump this thing all the way forward. If you like to tie dubbing loops, this is the time. Throw in the dubbing loop, start it just behind that Pollywog tail, and then work your way forward. I'll just do several sets here. You don't need a huge profile here. The movement's going to come from the tail, not these fibers, but we do want some good profile to attract those big hungry bass. And as you'll see this jig/fly come to life, you should recognize it. It's a pretty popular jig style that is used in conventional fishing. If you are doing the same technique here for adding the semi-seal, continuously ensure that you're getting an even distribution of semi-seal around the shank of the hook. All right, we're going to sneak one more on. And all the while when you're doing this, line up the fibers. It's just a little something it's not 100% necessary, but it is going to make that finished product just look a teeny bit cleaner, in my opinion. Alrighty. So you could realistically just add a little more semi-seal and finish it here if you're wanting just a little leech-like fly or pollywog-like fly. But what we're going to do here is we're going to take this to another level. So we got some grizzly flutter legs. We have a full tab of these. We don't quite need the full tab. I'd say about 2/3 of the tab is going to do it for us. And this is the only part that's relatively takes some concentration in this fly. So we want to make sure that this is evenly distributed. So we're tying one side on at a time, or you can do top to bottom, whatever you prefer. Get a couple securing wraps. And then we're going to bring that out in front of the bead. And sometimes these legs have a tendency to wrap on themselves. And then this is where we want to make sure that we're getting these tied in correctly. So we're going to turn our vise here and get that first wrap, second wrap, bringing those legs together. Booyah. Like so. We're going to take this here, we're going to cut these and make sure that we got a good even distribution of this, which we do. Happy with that. And this bass jig has really just come to life now. Really popular style of jig that you see used in conventional fishing all the time. So to finish this off, we're just going to give it a nice little semi-seal collar, and we will be ready to get out and target some bass, as that bass season is quickly approaching us, if not already upon us in most places in the country. Tighten that up. Sounds good. I'm going to throw in a little bit of Zap-A-Gap on this thread here, just to add a little durability. Really pull that in when you do. Try and not get it on the top of the semi-seal, but rather on the thread itself. Alrighty, and that is that. Really simple fly. Really mean. And that is going to surely get the attention of some hungry bass. Got our polywog tail off the back. That thing is going to kick like crazy. You can burn the tip just a little bit, but these things are pretty durable. We've been able to mess around with them quite a bit here. And yeah, we got the Spawn semi-seal and the new Ahrex jig hook. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If there's any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. And as always, all of these materials that you've seen here today are available at Spawn Fly Fish. Thank you very much.